What's up, YouTube? It is a new day. I'm sorry that I've been gone for a little while, but I have a surprise. We're doing a light bar installation on my 350Z. As you see it here behind me in the garage, I'm going to try and install this a different way. So I'm going to basically attach it right here on the underneath to the bottom of my bar that I have right there right now. This hopefully will turn out really good. It seems to be really good quality and stuff. I already unboxed it and everything, but it's like a really good quality one from what I sell. I looked them up online. There are some bad reviews, to be honest. There are some good reviews, but I just figured to try it out. It's like 30 bucks, 35, 40 bucks, something like that. Something dirt cheap. And I'm gonna be going on a road trip soon here in a couple days, and I figured when I'm driving my 350, I don't want to hit no potholes. So I'm going ahead and I have Vince, my friend, coming over with his 350. We're gonna see if we can install this and see how hard it really is and get going from there. So I've just laid out the light bar. It's really good quality, has everything nice and labeled, red and black, which is really nice, positive and negative. Then it comes with these brackets, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these brackets and lay them out and see how everything will mount up. I've laid everything out here, so it looks like we're gonna use the long bolts or screws or Allen head things to screw the bottom of the bracket with this to the bottom of the bash bar or whatever that thing's called, and use the smaller ones to attach these to the actual light. So I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling this. First things first, take your Allen wrench and this thingy. It's pretty simple, just basically twisting it on. Done really fast. I'm gonna make it, I want my light to shine slightly down because I want it long distance but not too long, so I'm going to make it at a very slight angle going down, so all of it won't be blinding the other drivers and stuff when I'm driving on the road, so that's never good, because I hate those people that do the same thing to me. So I have it at roughly 1 degree down, so when this is level it'll be pointing down. I actually probably want to adjust it a little bit and fine tune it later, but I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Bracket and go through the same exact process. Now that I have this all done, I'm going to go ahead and start removing the front bumper, which luckily for me is just a whole bunch of these little zip ties because I never took the time to actually secure it the right way. So I'm going to undo the zip ties, pull off the bumper, and see how it fits on.
I knew you loved me. You would wait in line for hours when them sneakers out. I used to pull up on you, sneak you out the house. You could be the baddest girl and you ain't had to lose your blouse. Those days, do it like we don't know better.
Here's everything. Basically, I'm going to attach the light bar from the bottom of this to the bottom of that, and that's how I'm going to attach it. I do have this LED underglow strip underneath, so I'm going to have to be careful with that, but other than that, I should just be able to center it on the bar, the brackets I mean, and just go from there, and everything should just bolt right in, all nice and easy, if all goes according to plan. Next thing you're going to want to do is take your light bar, find the center, and mark the 2 holes that it has. So mine centers right about there-ish. So this is the ideal spot that I found for mine. Take my screwdriver, see if I can't mark the 2 spots where it goes. With both those spots marked, then we can begin drilling and then install them. So this is easier, and his lovely owner, Vince. Alrighty, so we're gonna keep on installing this. I've marked the spots underneath with this little, I don't know, like scratches or whatever. We're gonna go ahead and drill it and then install the light bar. Time to drill stuff, get stuff going. Dun, dun, dun. Dude, I'm so happy I'm getting the light bar. Now either that's a very strong drill bit, or that's a very weak bash bar. I don't know which. Fit. Ah, I'm one size too short. You know what? I'm just gonna wing it. Ooh, perfect. There we go. Now we got it. So, one side done, one side to go. actually looks really clean. I'm gonna do stuff. You see that? That actually looks really clean, huh?
Yeah.
Cool. You know, this is actually going a lot faster than I thought. Ugh. Cool. Next thing is to do, I'm gonna take these pieces, these bolts and stuff. Again. Yeah. Okay guys, so we just installed that all nice and tight, and all of this is extremely, well, it's sturdy. I think there's this little screw right here that's definitely gonna fall out. I hear that a common problem with these types of light bars is that they have water leakage, so I'll have to update this and see if there actually is. But now with it all physically installed, we can go to the electrical, which seems pretty straightforward. You just take this and somehow install it to the headlights. We figured out that the positive and negative terminals on this we can connect to, and it'll power the light just fine. So essentially what I'm going to do is I have this old cord, and I'm going to solder connections onto the back of the light, and then solder the other end to the LED light, and we should be golden in that regard. So we're heating up the soldering iron right now, and we should get going to that in a couple minutes. Just wrapping up the soldered connections now. If you see on there, we just welded it to the back of the light bulb thing connection. So just electrical taping it, and then we're gonna do a lot. Make sure you do a lot of this because it's gonna be outdoors. And other one side we won't have to. Just throw it back in and install it. We should be good to go. Just installed the headlight again, got it all soldered and everything. Did I plug it back in? Yes, I did. Cool. Just tested everything. Everything works. So when you turn on the headlight on and off, the light will come on with it. Nice thing about these is that LEDs don't draw that much power, so I was able to just use the same thing as my regular headlight. So that's the benefit of that. Just zip tying this cord back into place, and after that, I think that we should be good to go, and this light will be good. So then we just put back on the bumper, and this install will be done. Get back together and you should be good. Alright, here's the finished product. Put it all in. Show them. When you turn on the headlights, it is just a regular, but that is very bright. If you look down lower, you can see all the brightness. It's very bright, and if you look on the car reflection, you'll be able to see the difference. So watch on the car. That's a very big difference than what the normal headlights are. So this stuff works really good. Highly recommend it. Took me only an hour and a half to install, of course with my help of my friend, but everything turned out pretty good. So alrighty guys, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Guess it's time to end it.